Hello everyone, I am Muhammad Ibn Shihab Shad. Now I am going to show you all my recent work. The work is actually an AI-based conversation summary generator. So we all use social media, right? Social media such as Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, and many others. So we all are connected to many groups, right? So what the work does, the work actually generate summary of conversation. I have focused on particularly on group conversation. So the the behind the story is we all are connected to a lot of groups. Sometimes when we are not using our phone for a very long time, a huge conversation in the group happens. And if we want to know what where the conversation, then we all have to read each and every message separately, which consumes a lot of time. Here, uh, my work comes, and it actually not integrated with Facebook or WhatsApp as because of its unethical. So my view is if they can include something like this in their app, in Facebook or in WhatsApp, if they can integrate something like this. So let's go to the code. First of all, I have generated synthetic conversation. So why synthetic conversation? As because of if we look at this text file, then we can see that the text file has a fixed format. The format actually is inspired by WhatsApp. If we import the WhatsApp conversation, then we can see the conversation is stored like this. Okay, so I have tried with my group conversation of WhatsApp, and I am showing you all with synthetically generated WhatsApp text or WhatsApp conversation of a group. So we have generated the synthetically generated WhatsApp chat. Now let's go to our main code. Here at first we will read the synthetically generated WhatsApp chat and save as a JSON file. So when we run the code, we have saved 3661 messages to chat.json, and it looks like this. Okay, now the next section. In the next section, we have the messages, grouped the messages according to the day. Suppose 1st January 2025, these messages are these messages this conversation was between among the group members. Now, now the second part. Sorry, now this part. In this part, we can filter out particular messages. But based on what? Suppose we are outside of town for 2 days or for 7 days, or we don't have the time to see the conversation for a very long time, or it can be a very short time, as because generally in short time there is a lot of messages between group members. So it's we can select a short duration of time and a long duration of time as well, as because of I have synthetically generated my WhatsApp message, so I will take a long time. You can take a short time as well. So here I have to insert the starting date and time in this format. So if I put 03 March 2025, time from 5:05:00 p.m. to, suppose I want to check the summary of 1 month. So 03 04 April till 11:59 p.m. So here we can see that filtered chat. So the chat has filtered from the grouped chat. Okay, so now it's time to generate a summary. So here I have used a Hugging Face pre-trained model for generating summary. Here we will generate a summary based on the overall conversation, and we will see the who are the top 5 message sender. Okay, who have and what have they sent. So we can see that overall context summary, we have overall context summary, we have top 5 active members, and we have summary of the top 5 active members. So if we don't use our phone for 3 to 5 hours and thousands of messages are thousands of messages transfer between among the group members, and we can't see those thousands of messages, so we can use the code for see what actually happened. And if this type of technique, this type of feature added on Facebook or on WhatsApp, then it will be a great help for everyone, I guess. So here is this, and finally I have this section to delete all the text files and JSON files for security purpose. So when we run the code, you can see that all other files deleted and just the summary remains. So if we do something like this, then I guess it will be save our storage, as well as it will very secure. So that's all I have done. Thank you for your time. Please respond me that how was the project, and sorry for my the this kind of language. Thank you all.